firstly, you make a video like this. You flip your cap and don't move, and move only when the cap is down, and then you pretend like the cap is still in the air. Now you download VideoSpeed app. I use this app for my slow motion sometimes, but sometimes I use the normal iOS slow-mo cam. If you don't have a slow-mo camera or a slow-mo app, I suggest you use this. This is a really good app to adjust slow motion and fast motion and the normal motion. And I adjust the slow-mo part right when I flip the cap and saved it. Now you download Inshot app. This is free app both on Android and iOS. You open it, you trim the video when the cap is still in the air, right before it fell off. And that one was wrong. Okay, now you have to import another video so that those two videos can be together, but you have to trim it carefully. You have to trim the beginning should be right when the cap is in the air, and then end it right before it fell on the ground. And you have to do this over and over. Click the plus sign there so that you can add more videos and trim it when the cap is in the air, not before or after. The ending should be when the cap is starting in the air, and the ending should be right before it fell while it's still in the air. Also, I have to say this one is my original idea. I made it up by myself. I have never seen anyone done it yet. And yeah, I usually use VideoStar app, and that one is in my iOS phone, and it's not free app also. So this is the first time I'm using this method. This is the final video of the editing. The cap is in the air, but your position is weird. Okay, so now we have to open the Inshot app again after you save that one. This time you open the slow-mo one again, and you trim it. The ending part should be right before the cap fell. I mean, right when you start your flipping while the cap is still in there. And then the second part should be when you started moving, like when you pretend the cap is in the air. And then now you saved it. Now you open KineMaster app. This app is also free. Open media, and then you open the video where you pretend like the cap is in the air. This one, when you pretend. Okay, then you click layer and you click the first one and video, and you download the second video where the cap stays in the air, and you like kind of adjust it at the very beginning. And now you click the second video, and after you click the second video, there will be a split screen. You choose the rectangle, this one, and then you adjust it, and then it's done. The cap is in the air, and then you are like that.
Baby, you got me, you got me, you got me. Whoa.